to start using Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Sign up for a free account on Monday.com. You'll be guided through a quick setup wizard to define your main use case. 2. Choose a ready-made template that fits your needs, whether it's task management, CRM, or project planning. 3. Create your first board and label groups based on phases or categories. Then add tasks, items, and columns like dates, owners, and priorities. 4. Invite your team members to collaborate. Assign them to items and use comments for real-time updates and collaboration. 5. Add automations to save time on repetitive tasks. Monday.com offers if this, then that logic to streamline workflows. 6. Customize your board views. Try Calendar View, Gantt, or Kanban to get different perspectives on your work. 7. Explore the dashboard to track performance. Set goals and visualize data. Keep experimenting until the workspace fits your workflow perfectly.